Kickstart your day with this quick anti-inflammatory golden smoothie. Packed with turmeric, ginger, and creamy coconut milk, it's a delicious way to boost your immune system and energy in just 5 minutes. Blend, pour, and enjoy a nutritious drink that supports your health and well-being. Feel the difference with every sip. Start with turmeric, known for its powerful anti-inflammatory properties. Add a chunk of ginger for a spicy kick and its nausea-reducing effects. Throw in a banana for creaminess and a natural sweetness. Pour in coconut milk for a rich texture and a dose of healthy fats. To finish off your delicious smoothie, add a pinch of black pepper. This not only enhances the flavor but also significantly boosts the absorption of essential nutrients, making your drink even more beneficial for your health. Black pepper contains piperine, which helps your body absorb curcumin, the active ingredient in turmeric, more effectively. Next, sprinkle a bit of cinnamon. Cinnamon is not just a flavorful spice, it has powerful health benefits, including regulating blood sugar levels and providing antioxidants. By adding these two simple ingredients, you can transform your smoothie into a powerhouse of nutrition and flavor. Enjoy your enhanced, nutrient-packed drink. Blend until smooth. There you have it, your anti-inflammatory powerhouse in a glass. Enjoy this vibrant golden smoothie to start your day off right. Packed with the goodness of turmeric, ginger, and cinnamon, it's not just delicious but also incredibly healthy. Turmeric is known for its anti-inflammatory properties, ginger aids digestion, and cinnamon helps regulate blood sugar levels. This smoothie is a perfect blend of taste and health benefits. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share our channel for more health hacks, quick recipes, and wellness tips. Stay tuned for more exciting content that will help you lead a healthier and happier life. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications to never miss our wellness tips.